One Milwaukee mom is pushing to get shots into everyone's arms. So far, Dolores Salas has helped more than 500 city residents with disabilities get vaccinated. Here she's getting her second dose today at her clinic near 30th and Fleet. The event served as a free resource fair and luncheon with shots being offered to everyone.
As for my people with disabilities, I want them to be in the community and be comfortable in the community. Because people with disabilities, some of them have immune systems that's kind of different from others, but I want everybody to be safe. And all the families.
Salas is also partnering with Hayat Pharmacy to offer home vaccines. Statewide, just a little more than 60% of Wisconsin's total population has now been fully vaccinated. Meanwhile, 32.5% of those residents have gotten a booster. Still to come here tonight at 5, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention eases its mask recommendations for most of the country. Up next, the new metrics the CDC is using to determine which Americans can take a break from wearing masks. Plus, a historic Milwaukee museum opens its doors to the public for the first time in more than a decade. We take you to the grand reopening of America's Black Holocaust Museum in Milwaukee's Bronzeville neighborhood. We're back tonight with a live look at Fiserv Forum here tonight. It's the Bucks taking on the Nets in a game you'll see right here on WISN 12. A few Brooklyn Nets players out there warming up. This will be the first game for the Bucks following the All-Star break as Milwaukee looks to make a push for the top seed in the Eastern Conference. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention have announced new guidelines for masks, saying those living in communities with low to moderate risk can ditch them for now, but advising those in high-risk areas to continue masking. Here's ABC's Zareen Shah with the new recommendation.
New guidance from the CDC on masking. The latest metrics suggest more than 70% of Americans, including school children, are now in communities at low or medium risk and can consider removing their masks.
We want to give people a break from things like mask wearing when our levels are low, and then have the ability to reach for them again should things get worse in the future.
Under the old guidelines, the CDC focused primarily on case numbers, but the new framework factors in COVID hospitalizations and hospital capacity to determine areas at low, medium, or high risks.
I think this is taking us forward with a new direction going into the pandemic, but we're still focusing on safety. We're still focusing on preventing death and illness.
In the coming days, 5 states, along with Washington, D.C., are expected to lose those indoor mask mandates. Chicago doing away with some restrictions beginning Monday.
We're seeing ourselves on the downward slope of this Omicron surge.
Health experts agree with the CDC's new guidance, but caution masks may return in the future.
I would like to see the most masking when we really need it, when there's another wave of COVID, potentially, next fall. So after Thanksgiving of 2022, it's very likely that we'll need to ask people to put their masks back on.
The CDC also saying it is now safe for schools to drop masking except in high-risk areas. But with children under 5 still not eligible for the vaccine, some parents are worried.
I think it's good for the kids, but at the same time, I'm just concerned about their immunity.
As for public transportation, masks must still be worn, at least through March 18th. But the CDC is reviewing those requirements. Zohreen Shah, ABC News, Los Angeles.
Milwaukee's mask mandate is currently set to expire March 1st. Acting Mayor Cavalier Johnson says the city will let the mandate expire and will not be issuing a new one. Only on 12, former RNC